Okay, we're going to go for a walk around the farm today and check out this new camera phone. So yeah, more videos and shots to come. Beautiful day and lots of things flowering. These guys will come up and say hi. Hello, boys. Hello. Hi. Go say Squeaky. See if he wants to come for a walk. You want to come for a walk, Squeaky? Come on. Come for a tour of the farm. Where are you, buddy? Come on. Jump on. Jump on. Jump on, Squeaky. Come on. Come on. Whoa! Just about dropped you. Hello. This is Squeaky. Yeah, come for a tour. Yeah. Here we go. You just sit there. Okay? Hey. What do you think? Is that good? Is that good? I like that. I don't know if you've been introduced to the chickens. Let's go see how you go with the chickens, eh? Oh. Oh, boys. Oh, Squeaky's run behind my shoulder. Alright, let's give you guys some food. Alright, Squeaky? Now, there's Jack the rooster. A couple hens. So this is a day on the farm. I don't know, can you see Squeaky back there somewhere? Are you there? And we'll show you the rest another time. So this is where the tadpoles were, but they're gone, so they've either turned into frogs or a duck come and got them. These are the fruit trees given to us by Ralph, a 79-year-old grower, Adelaide Plains. So we got figs, and pomegranates, different things. Well, that's the tour of the farm with Squeaky. Alright, goodbye everybody. Find the stop button here. There we go. Part 2 of the farm tour with Squeaky. Hello boys. Hello. Hello. Come to say hi, Plum. Hello, Plum. Hello, Kelly. Boys. Hey, what's happening there? Oh, yuck. Okay. Bit of a sneezing attack or something. Let's go have a look. Bit of a wind the other day. Blew down the tree. This is my friend Squeaky. I don't know if you can see him, but he's coming on the tour today. Hello, Squeaky. Hey, you're noisy. You're noisy. Yeah.